दिस इज ईशु भल्ला एंड आई एम बैक विद यू वंस अगेन। मैं उम्मीद करता हूं आप बिल्कुल ठीक होंगे। थैंक यू सो वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग एंड लाइकिंग माई प्रीवियस वीडियो कहानी एक सेल्समैन की। प्लीज कंटिन्यू टू लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। आई एम अवेलेबल फॉर एनी कंसल्टेशन काउंसलिंग एंड माई डिटेल्स आर गिवन बिलो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। मैं हूं ना द रियल लीडर इन क्राइसिस, a very relevant topic in the present times, and these three words मैं हूं ना conveys a lot। ये अपने आप में बहुत कुछ कहते हैं। It actually defines the entire leadership. It signifies honesty, assurance, care and trust. It signifies patience, empathy, inspiration and guidance. It signifies courage, passion, victory and emotions, and it signifies so very well attitude and character to stand firm with the people in the times of crisis, and this makes the real leader. We can refer to various management books, pages and paragraphs to discover more about the leadership or to sharpen our skills on the leadership, but it is also a fact that the first lesson of the leadership, the basics of the leadership, we learn from an institution which has got all these qualities in abundance, जिसके पास ये सभी qualities बहुत ज्यादा मौजूद हैं, and that institution is always there with us in the times of crisis, in the times of pain। वो हर कठिनाई में, हर मुश्किल में हमारे साथ खड़ा होता है, और इस इंस्टीट्यूशन को हम मां के नाम से जानते हैं। यस, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द मदर। इन द डिफिकल्ट टाइम्स, इन द टाइम्स ऑफ पेन, शी ऑलवेज थिंक्स बियॉन्ड हर सेल्फ। वो अपने से ऊपर उठकर सोचती है और करती है, एंड दिस इज व्हाट वी परहैप्स वांट टू सी इन अवर लीडर्स इन द टाइम्स ऑफ क्राइसिस। आई डेडिकेट दिस वीडियो टू ऑल द मदर्स, टू ऑल द पेरेंट्स, for teaching us the first lesson of the leadership. This is a fact that in difficult times, the main task in any business, in any organization, is not only to carry the team, but also care and motivate them to give the best for their organizations. This is also the time when not only the functional leaders, even the managers at the critical positions are expected to come forward and act like true leaders. They must take charge and lead from the front. They must start thinking beyond managing people, and that is what the leadership is. People look at them to show them the right path, to guide them properly, to get the business back on track as quickly as possible. And it is therefore rightly expected by the employees that 1. The leaders are not self-centered and they think beyond themselves. 2. That they are capable of reading into the events, causes, reasons why things are happening like this, multiple options and the likely outcomes, that they can see the larger picture, the bigger pictures which others can't see, and that they can influence the entire system with their thoughts. 3. They engage and communicate with the people in a very honest and transparent manner, sharing with them the reality, the impact of crisis and the action plan to move forward. 4th, they are capable of taking tough calls, take chances, take risks without any fear of failure, and they have got the ability to make bold decisions. And most importantly, they are expected to be tough and demanding, and rightfully so, but yet honest and human too. They must care for people, they must show empathy, they must have the courage to fight for their genuine needs, for their genuine causes. And to come to the expectations of employees, it is critical for the leaders that 1. They don't press the panic button. They don't show signs of fear, signs of uncertainty, to look weak, to look defensive, to look indecisive. 2. They don't lie to people. They don't play games with them for their own gains. And that they must deal with them in a very honest and transparent manner. 3. That they are not irrational in their demands. Yes, they must ask for the business results, for the business delivery, and they should be tough. But they must draw the Lakshman Rekha. They must understand that there is a very thin line between pressure and torture. Fourth, they should not call all the shots sitting inside their cabin. This is the time to come out from your cabin and to take complete charge and lead from the front and not from the behind. The people must see in them a brave and courageous leader. Avoid having my way or the highway approach. Involve people in debates and discussion in the entire decision-making process. In fact, this is the time for the leaders to be great listeners. It is actually in the crisis only when the real leadership is put on test. And this is like an Agnipath. How the leader act and deal with the situation will establish his credential as a good or bad leader. Great leaders are not self-centered. They rather come forward and take complete ownership for the business delivery, for the outcomes. They have the courage to take blame for the failures and pass on the credit for success to their teams. And that is what the great leadership is. किसी ने ठीक ही कहा है, एक सच्चे और बहादुर लीडर में अकेले खड़े रहने का आत्मविश्वास होता है, कठिन से कठिन निर्णय लेने का साहस होता है और दूसरों की जरूरतों को समझने की काबिलियत भी होती है. That a real and brave leader has the confidence to stand alone, has the courage to make bold decisions, and has the ability to understand the needs of others and be with them in the times of pain, in the times of crisis. And this is a true symbol of Main Hoon Na, the real leader in crisis, in this must-win battle to get the business, to get the organization back on track with full force. Thank you so very much, guys. Please stay safe, stay healthy. Namaskar.